Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and created a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for dealing with Instagram IP ban issues right now, and a few important things about each, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my whole research document for free. Seriously, read it all year long if you want. Alright, let's jump right into it. Top 3 VPN services for Instagram IP ban, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for bypassing Instagram IP ban. Why? It reliably works with Instagram, which is super important. Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested, making sure you get quick reconnects and zero lag when accessing your account from a new IP. Features. It's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's got it to keep you anonymous and unblock Instagram fast. Pricing and support, cheap for what it offers, and their support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available so your connection stays solid and private. Overall, super easy to use, fast, works every time, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives, just a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Instagram IP ban is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built pure for performance. Speed, incredibly fast, with super reliable IP switching to get you back on Instagram hassle-free. No delays or drops while switching IPs. Features, all the essentials you need to dodge an Instagram IP ban, plus some extras like a solid kill switch and split tunneling, which is great for routing just Instagram through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money VPNs out there, often cheaper than the competition but with premium performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No way. They've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, top tier AES 256 encryption. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy buffs nervous. But remember, their no logs audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for quickly getting past Instagram IP ban and great value. Third best VPN for Instagram IP ban is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed, very good. Thanks to that huge server network, you can always find a fast, uncrowded server for a fresh Instagram IP. Features, loaded, kill switch, a great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium option on the list. Support is pretty solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope, their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, they use top encryption tech and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based, and the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a huge network and advanced features to beat Instagram IP ban. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Instagram IP ban: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just based on the colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. These VPNs just work perfectly for this. Quick recap to wrap up: if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN for the best all-around VPN with a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Choose IPVanish for a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's incredible value for your money. Pick PIA if you're on a budget, but want a massive server network and loads of advanced features to outsmart Instagram IP ban. My job's done here. I've given you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've also put my exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can get the best price out there. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one, and drop a comment to let me know which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.